Hello everyone, this is just a random video. This is my sumac plant here, my Staghorn Sumac. It's producing some good tart berries soon to add to my Zaatar mixes. But look at this, right on this leaf. Isn't that crazy? Just really odd. I just see that. I wonder if there's any more. Assuming why an insect laid the eggs on this plant. Really beautiful plant. You can see why they call it a staghorn, because it looks like the deer antlers, the little fuzz. But really odd. Now I'm gonna check this whole thing out. Obviously these are gonna be removed, but look at that. Really weird, huh? Let me see how close I can get without them scattering around. Crazy. All right, everyone. Happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.